Hello. So, how to play tic-tac-toe lesson 5. How many lessons can there possibly be for playing such a simple game? We will find out in the end. So, at this point, we can summarize lessons 2, 3, and 4. If I move here on my first move, you are going to lose if you move in any of these places. You have to move in the middle. The middle is your safe move. Okay. Now, if you survive the first test, then now you have to face my second test. And I have two possible choices I can go. I can set up the classic trap. And if I set up the classic trap, then if you move here or here on your second move, you lost the game. Simple as that. You have to move in these central positions. Okay? So we got, this is the primary trap. This is a secondary trap. This is based off your second move. So your secondary trap. This. And this one in particular we call the classic trap. Okay. Now, there is a third possibility, and we called it the alpha trap, and it is also a secondary trap because it's all based off your second move. And for this one, we concluded that if you move in these two positions, you lose. If you move here and here, you tied. But if you move right here, you have a possibility of tying, but there's also a possibility that you can set up a situation where the player who goes first hands over the win to you through a double possibility of winning, a double winning solution. And there's no escaping it. So with that, that summarizes my traps for corner moves. Okay, we'll look at this alpha trap. So I have essentially three strategies based off me moving in the corner first. Okay. If you don't move in the middle on your first move, I'm going to set up a primary trap. Lesson 2 covers all the various ways how to do that. But if you do move in the middle on your second or on your first move, then I can set up the grid in a way to where I automatically win based off your second move. And that was the object of lesson 3 with the classic trap and lesson 4 of the alpha trap. And altogether, this summarizes the strategies you need to think about for playing tic-tac-toe if you move in the middle for your first move. But I don't have to move in the middle, or I don't have to. I should have said corner. I said middle. Should have said corner. But I don't have to move in the corner for my first move. I can move in somewhere else, right? So for lesson 6 and 7, we're going to look at what happens if I decide to move in the middle. Because maybe after a few games, you can figure out, maybe you haven't figured out all my strategies, but maybe at least you recognize that moving in the middle is safe. So now I have to change things up. And a great way of changing it up is by changing my first move. That usually messes with my opponents because they're used to seeing me move in the corner. Now I'm moving in the middle. And so now they have to rethink their strategy. They know I have a trap waiting for them. They wonder what could it be, and we will find out in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have been enjoying it, our series on how to play tic-tac-toe, consider supporting us and purchasing my little book, How to Play Tic-Tac-Toe Like a Champion, self-published on Amazon. For $10 paperback, $5 ebook. Has literally 100 pictures on tic-tac-toe showing steps how to play the game, and lots and lots of traps. Delicious. Thank you for watching.